Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie, and if you are not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click that button down below and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Also, please don't forget to click that bell and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified of any future videos. Alright you guys, so we have this really soft summer look right here. It's so pretty, so simple. I would honestly do this every single day because it's so easy and so simple, and honestly it would take me 10 minutes. Check this look out. If you like what you see, keep on watching. Alright guys, so we're just gonna jump right in. As you can see, I have my brows already filled in, I have my eyes prepped and ready, and we also have some tape to help us out with today's look. So I did go out earlier you guys, and it was extremely hot, like hot. It was 87 degrees, but it felt like 90, you guys, maybe a little bit more. It was super duper hot. It's definitely not the smartest thing to have my makeup done and go out in this weather, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna film a video, as you can see, and I'm gonna go out a little later to get some exercise in, and you know, it's just gonna be a lot cooler, I am hoping. So what we're gonna do is do something fun, quick and easy, you know, because I'm not doing anything. I'm just gonna go out for a little walk, and that's that. So today's look, I am going to be using the BH Cosmetics Color Festival 20 Color Shadow Palette. This one here. I really love this palette. I remember when I first used this, and I use this a lot actually. I don't know if you can tell, but they are some little like dents and these shadows. What I really like about this palette is that you can do so many things with it. It's a palette that has your really nice everyday shades and as well as pops of color. So if you want to be adventurous and have some fun, then you have those colors. So I'm going to do something simple like I said. So I'm going to go in with a little bit of a transition shade, or maybe just one shade. So I'm going to be going in with the Morphe M441. I'm going to go in with Cheek. It's a very soft brown, which is perfect to start off with, you know. So I'm going to put that right here into the crease. And I've been really enjoying creating my own eyeliner with the shadows, you know, using the Inglot drops. I've really been enjoying that look. So that's definitely one thing I'm going to be doing today. So obviously, as you can see, I am just applying the shadow right here where the tape is, and just applying the shadow right in there and into the crease. Also bringing it in a little bit into the inner corner, just like that, just back and forth in windshield wiper motion. I'm gonna add a little bit of this chocolate with the same brush. This one is called DJ, so I'm gonna add a little DJ to the look, and I'm gonna add a little bit more here. I'll add it to the crease and to the outer V, just like that. Nothing crazy. I don't want it to like a smoky eye. Alright, so that's that. Now I am going to be going in with the eyeliner. I don't know what color I want to use. I kind of want to go in with Haze. So let's try out Haze. This is a really pretty like lime green, neon green shade right here. I really love that. So grabbing my little plate and some Inglot drops. Gonna do one to start off with, and I'm gonna grab my eyeliner brush. Alright, so I'm gonna be grabbing my Tarte brush. You guys have seen me use this many times. I really love this. I love the fact that it has two sides. So it has a angled side, which is this one, and then it has a straight brush, you know, side like that. So I like to go in with the brush that has no angle, so just straight up. Going in with Haze, just like that with the brush. I'm going to be grabbing a little bit of that and adding it to the pan here. And hopefully I get a good color. I don't see why not, but you never know. So, alright, I think I have good enough shadow. Alright, so now I'm just going to go in and create my liner. Alright, so that right there, you guys, it looks really pretty. I think it looks really good. I got some good pigmentation on it. But yeah, I feel like if you want to add a little bit more, which I'm grabbing right now, I feel like you could definitely build it up. So let's see. Alright, so it did build up really nicely. So now I'm going to just do the same thing to the other side. Alright, you guys, so this is what the eyes are looking like without lashes. I mean, if I wasn't filming this, I would honestly have this done within less than 10 minutes and then I'd be out the door. But since I'm recording, I am showing you guys how I do it. It's a different story. But right now I am going to go off camera and apply some lashes. Today I'm going to be going with the Kiss 01 lashes. I really like these as well, but I've been really obsessed with these. I just picked up another pair. These are my favorite. These are the Kiss Lash Couture Royal Silk Lashes, but I don't want to wear these today, so I'm gonna go in with these. So yeah, I'm gonna apply these and then I'll be back to complete the rest of the look. Alright guys, so now that my lashes are on, we're gonna move on to face primer. So I'm gonna be going in with the NYX Bare With Me Sunscreen Daily Moisturizing Primer because I'm gonna be going out after dinner, and even though the sun isn't out, you should always have some type of sunscreen on either way, just to protect your skin. So I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of that. Alright, so now moving on to foundation, I'm going to be going in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation, and I did go up a shade because I did get a little bit tanner from yesterday. So this is the shade Desert Beige, and I like this foundation because it comes with like a little spatula, so you can easily go in and apply it. I know it's not like the cleanest thing to do, but I'm the only one using this foundation and I don't mind it, so I'm just going to keep doing it. So as you can see, I'm just doing that. I'm going to apply a little bit more. Apply some on the nose. And I think that's enough. So now I'm just going to go in with my e.l.f. sponge. It's already damp, so I'm just going to go in and blend it all out. Now for concealer, I'm going to be going in with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the shade, what shade is this? Medium Sand. To blend that out, I am going to be going in with my e.l.f. sponge again. Now to cream bronze my face, I am going to go in with the Milk Makeup Matte Bronzer Stick, and this one is in the shade Baked. Just going to grab a little bit with my Real Techniques contour brush, just like that. And I'm just going to apply that right here. I'm just going to blend that out. I'm also going to be grabbing a little bit and applying that right here on the neck. And a little bit of contouring around the face. Just blend it out really nicely. I'm also going to be adding a little bit on the nose. And that is that. I'm also going to be going in with the sponge and just pat. I almost dropped the sponge. But I'm just going to be going in and just patting everything down, making sure everything is blended. And everything looks perfect. So now, you guys, what I'm going to do is I am going to go in with my Derma blend here and just set my under eye. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty bronzer, and this one is in the shade Shady Biz. Looks like that. I'm going to grab my Kenzie brush, and I'm just going to go in and set that around the perimeter of my face. all those areas that I added the cream bronzer. Now I'm just gonna set those areas. Alright, so I'm also gonna go right back in with my Derma Blend and my e.l.f. sponge. And if you guys have been watching my channel for a while now, you guys already know that I am a big reverse contour person. Sometimes I get extremely heavy with my bronzer and I bring it down a little too much. So I just go in with the sponge and it just helps clean up the bronzer a little bit, you see. You don't have to leave it there for too long. I mean, the good thing about it is that if you leave it there, it's going to literally just set your face and it's going to make your makeup stay in place for a very good amount of time. But I'm not really caring much for that, so I'm just going to grab a big powder brush and I'm just going to dust that off with the brush, making sure I go in circle motion. You see that? And then you don't see like a harsh white line separating it. You see that? You just see a nice smooth application. You see that? It looks perfect. I can also go down the neck with whatever's left. Good to go. Alright, so now you guys, I'm going to go actually right back into the eyes. I can't even speak. I'm going to go right back into the eyes, you guys. And I'm going to do a little pop of color because you guys already know I love fun looks. So I'm going to grab this shade Groove right here from the palette. And I am using some type of pencil brush. This is the Morphe M560. So with this color, I'm just going to apply that on the lower lash line. Just like that. Make it a little fun. And now I'm going to be going in with the ColourPop L1 brush. It's a very precise brush. And I'm going to be going in with Banger. This shade here is so pretty and it's just going to make a really nice pop of color. Not pop of color, but a little nice pop into the inner corner. Just like that. I feel like this brings everything together. Do you see how pretty? Super simple, so easy, you guys. And honestly, this would definitely take me like 10 minutes. Honestly, like everything, not just the eyes. This is so quick and easy, out the door kind of look. I mean, this is really cute. I think I would do this for an everyday look, honestly. It's really cute. Obviously, you could change the color of the eyeliner that you created or whatever colors you want to use. It could be very neutral colors. It could be pops of color like I went in with. I mean, the choices are endless. So just have fun, and that's that. So right now, I'm actually going to grab the eyeliner pencil here. This is the Rimmel Exaggerate Waterproof Eye Definer in the shade In the Nude. Just going to apply a little bit of that on the waterline. And then I'm just going to go in with some mascara. And you guys already know the mascara that I love is the Maybelline Lash Sensational. So I'm just going to add that. And you guys know that when you apply mascara, it just makes the lower lashes and the eyes pop more. Yeah, so that's that. Now I'm going to go in with this pretty Hello Halo blush lighter from Wet n Wild. This one is in the shade After Sex Glow, and that's what it looks like. I just feel like it's going to look really pretty with this look. So going in with my Real Techniques blush brush, I'm just going to smile and apply a little bit on the apples of the cheek. Just like that. And it also has like a nice, it's like a baked blush because of the highlighter, but look at that. It's really pretty. You don't have to do this if you don't want to, but it also adds like a nice little highlighter to the look. Like a little glow, you know what I mean? So if you want more, you can also go in with the highlighter that's in here. So I'm going to go actually in with the highlighter that's in here with my Real Techniques setting brush, adding the highlighter with it. Just like that. Add a little bit here, add a little there. You don't have to do this, you guys. It's just optional. You don't have to do a lot of things that I'm doing. You can do whatever you want. But this is what I am doing and I really like it. So super simple. Gave me a little you know, color to the cheeks, nothing really crazy. It gave me a little bit of a glow, as you can see. And yeah, now I'm going to add some lipstick. So let's have some fun. I don't know if I'm gonna add something very simple. Maybe I'll just go in with a simple gloss because I want to keep maybe the focus onto the eyes, because the eyes are really pretty. Even though it's super simple, it just looks really nice. I like the combination of, I mean, it's supposed to be like a neon green because that's what it looks like in the palette, but it honestly looks like a nice yellow, and you know what, I don't mind it. I think it looks really pretty either way. You kind of get a little hint of green in there, but it's more of like yellow to me, but that's okay. Like I said, and then that little like corally pinky-ish salmon shade on the lower lash line. It looks beautiful. Beautiful combination. And that pop on the inner corner, you guys, like, it just looks beautiful. So yeah, now I don't know what lip color I'm going to use. Now let's try this right here. Alright, we're going to do this. We're going to go in with the Makeup Revolution Satin Kiss Lip Liner in the shade Cupcake. So we're going to add that. Alright, so now I'm going to be going in with this one right here. This is from Maybelline. It's the Super Stay Ink Crayon in the shade Seek Adventure. Really pretty shade. I've used this a couple of times already, and it's actually one of my favorite little lipsticks, I guess, whatever. So this is what it looks like. And you can also use this as a lip liner because it has the little sharpener at the end. And that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm just going to sharpen it a bit. And last but not least, I'm going to add a little bit of the Fenty Beauty lip gloss, the original that came out. Absolutely love this, you guys. It's such a good lip gloss. And it's so shiny and it smells delicious. So yeah, that is that. Now I'm just going to go in and set my face. I'm going to go in with my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, and that is the look. Alright guys, so this is the final look right here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. It's such a pretty, soft, colorful, fun, quick summer look. Honestly, like, I would do this every single day. It's so pretty and cute and girly as well. Like, I really love the simplicity of it, and the colors are just perfect for the summertime. I really did enjoy this look. I honestly would do this every single day, you guys. Like, this is really cute. And yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.